guys, it's Carrie. I'm looking at some of my favorite Indian animals. Bengal tiger. Tigers coexist with other predators such as leopards, Asiatic wild dogs, brown bears and wolves throughout most of their range. Usually there is little interaction between species, especially since tigers are mostly nocturnal and the other species are mainly diurnal. Tigers are known to swim between the islands in the Sundarbans. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Crocodile. With reproduction, the male does a splash display with tail arched upwards and the tip touching the water. The head and neck are raised with the lower jaw touching the water. The neck appears to swell. Bubbles of water emerge on both sides of the male's body. The male splashes the water by lashing his tail sideways and opening and closing the jaws. The water appears to boil near the snout and tail. The male and female lift heads and rub jaws, gape the jaws widely but do not bite. They begin to swim parallel and the male draws the female near with his forelimb and mounts the female to begin copulation. Mating takes place in shallow water. Gharial. It is the rarest crocodilian species. The most distinct sex character in crocodiles is the male erectile penis that is hidden inside the cloaca in the resting state. Wild water buffalo. Both sexes have horns that curve backward into a crescent shape. The record horn length is just under 2 meters, the longest amongst cattle or any other bovid. The wild water buffalo is a huge animal, nearly 3 meters long and 2 meters tall and weighing up to 1,200 kilograms. Snub-nosed monkey. They inhabit mountain forests up to elevations of more than 4,000 meters. They used to be found in India near the Chinese border. Indian leopard. It has strong legs and body, a broad muzzle, short ears and small yellowish grey eyes with light grey ocular bulbs. The rosettes are larger than other leopard subspecies. Their coat colour changes with where they live, a paler coat in desert habitats, greyer in colder climates and more ochre in rainforest habitats. Black Indian leopard. Indian leopards are sympatric carnivores. They are not common in habitats where tiger density is high and are wedged between prime tiger habitat on one side and cultivated village land on the other. They hunt during the day and drag their kills up into the treetops. Lynx. Found in northern India. They are medium-sized with a short tail and a bunch of hairs on the tips of their ears. They are fast runners and great climbers. They are solitary animals but sometimes can be seen hunting together. Indian striped hyena. They range up to 40 kilograms in weight and grow to 1.5 meters. The shoulder height is up to 75 centimeters. Indian wolf is a subspecies of the grey wolf. It has a lighter coat due to living in warmer conditions. They travel in small packs and are a little less vocal than other types of grey wolf. They have a reputation for being cunning. Indian wild dog or dhole. Very similar to the African wild dog. Indian jackal. They are opportunistic omnivores. They are primarily a scavenger. Indian fox or Bengal fox. The basic social unit of the Bengal fox is the breeding pair, formed by a pair of bonds that can last for many years. Larger aggregations may occur while grown pups linger longer than average in the natal community. Pangolin. They are the only mammal in the world to be covered from head to toe in scales. They eat an enormous 70 million insects every year. They can roll up into a hard, spiky ball that can defeat even the jaws of lions, tigers, and leopards. Indian peafowl. Male peafowl are known for their piercing calls and their extravagant plumage. Nilgai or blue bull is the largest Asian antelope and is found across the northern Indian subcontinent. Indian gazelle or chinkara stands about 1 meter tall. Black buck, indigenous to the plains of India. It is mainly active during the day. Ibex, a type of wild mountain goat. Markhor is a type of goat. They are well adapted to mountainous terrain. The markhor is the national animal of Pakistan. Tahr. They are large artiodactyl ungulates related to goats and sheep. Their hooves have a rubber-like core which allows for gripping smooth rocks. The Indian boar differs from its European counterpart by having a large mane which runs in a crest along its back from its head to lower body. Tortoise. They live in forests and scrublands. Tortoises are completely terrestrial. Their shells are hard, heavy and dome-shaped. Their limbs are thick and column-like. They are primarily herbivores. They lay eggs by digging the soil and concealing their eggs in it. They can live up to 150 years. Coral snake. The four most venomous snakes on the Indian subcontinent are the common krait, Russell's viper, Indian saw-scaled viper, and of course the Indian cobra. This one here is an albino Burmese python. India is a home to a large variety of wildlife. It is a biodiversity hotspot with its various ecosystems ranging from the Himalayas in the north to the evergreen rainforests in the south, the desert sands of the west to the marshy mangroves of the east. Please stay and watch another video with me. I enjoy reading your comments and replying. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.